If you've ever gotten an email from a CEO asking for gift cards or a text from your bank with a weird link, you've met today's topic: phishing scams. These cyber criminals are getting sneakier every year, and their emails don't always look like they're written by a Nigerian prince anymore. I'm Ross Whitmore from Northern Technology Services in Petoskey, Michigan, and today we're breaking down the latest phishing tricks, the red flags to watch for, and what do you do if you get hooked. So, phishing 101, what is it? Phishing is when a scammer tries to trick you into giving up sensitive info. So we're talking passwords, credit cards, money, and they usually pretend to be someone you trust. And it used to be easy to spot the bad spelling, the weird logos, the outlandish requests. But now, phishing emails can look almost identical to the real thing. So now the new tricks, and why are they working? Lookalike domains. The scammers are registering websites that look just like your bank or company, and maybe with just one little letter off. PayPal.com instead of PayPal.com. Your account will be closed in 24 hours, or payroll needs you to verify your info now. Urgency, panic, mistakes. The urgent requests are still there. Those personalized attacks, spear phishing as we call it, they use info from your social media, your company websites, and they make these emails look real. Hey Ross, can you send me those W-2s? Wait a minute. Text message phishing. Your package is delayed. Click here to reschedule. If it's unexpected, double check before you tap. So red flags, what to watch for. Those weird sender addresses. Support at amaz0n-security.com is not Amazon. Suspicious links or attachments. Hover over the links. Don't click. Just put the mouse right over top of them to see where they go. The attachments you weren't expecting. Be wary. Universal language or tone. Kindly revert with your login credentials. No real company is ever going to ask you for your password. Request for sensitive info. No legit company, bank, or IT department is going to ask for your password, PIN, or social security number via email or text. It's too good or too scary to be true. You want a $500 gift card? Or your account is compromised. Click here immediately. So now what do you do if you get a fishy message? Don't click, don't reply, don't panic. Verify if you're unsure. Contact the person or company directly using a phone number or website that you know is real. Report it. In Outlook and in Gmail, use the report phishing option. Tell your ID department, hey, that's us. Delete it. Don't let curiosity get you. And if in doubt, just throw it out. So now what if you clicked? Don't worry, no judgment. Disconnect from the internet if you downloaded something suspicious. Change your passwords, especially if you entered them anywhere. Contact IT support immediately. The sooner we know, the faster we can help. Watch your accounts for strange activity. And remember, even IT pros get fooled sometimes. The bad guys, they're persistent. Don't be embarrassed. Just act quickly. So now how do you stay safer? And how do we sleep better? Use multi-factor authentication. Even if your password is stolen, MFA, like text passcodes or Duo, can help keep the bad guys out. Keep your software updated. Patches fix security holes that the phishers love. Take security training. Ask us about our user awareness programs. And then trust your gut. If it feels off, well, it probably is. Now, phishing scams, they're getting smarter. But so are you. So stay skeptical, stay alert, and remember, when in doubt, check it out before you click. And if you need help with security training, suspicious emails, or just want to beef up your cyber defenses, call Northern Technology Services at 844-959-5040 or visit ntsmanage.com. We're here to help keep your business and your inbox safe. So thanks for watching our NTech Tips. Subscribe for more tech truths, maybe a few laughs, and advice that actually keeps you safe. And remember, the only thing that should be catching in your inbox is good news. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.